Holy moly, it is really hot out. It's very humid out here in Hamilton today. And I'm playing around with my new Insta Go action camera. Well, I got this new Insta Go camera. It's a little mini camera. You can see I'm wearing it. And I'm gonna give it a try today. And this is my first go at it. I'm usually using a GoPro. I read some really good reviews about this little mini camera. You can see how small it is. It does fit in this case, and this case actually charges it and has a screen where you can control it and such. But I thought, what better way to play with some of the features than to go for a run. So that's what I'm doing, and in the process, you get to see how beautiful Hamilton's waterfront is. I'm in Hamilton, Ontario. I love the waterfront area. We have redeveloped over the last 20 years, and this area has seen new parks, the Bayfront Park, the Waterfront Trail. We have recently put in the Pier 8 boardwalks. Since I've lived in this neighborhood, I'm very fortunate. By the way, I'm stalling my run because it started to rain and I don't want to get soaking wet. But the waterfront is still undergoing a lot of transformation. We have an entire area at Pier 8 which has the infrastructure and is ready for development. And I think we're going to see some really, really cool development there in the next, I would say 5 and 10 years. We're going to have a whole new community down here. So you get to see how beautiful Hamilton is. I'm just going to go into how beautiful our waterfront is. So enjoy this fun experiment with my little camera. Holy moly, it is really hot out. It's very humid out here in Hamilton today. And I'm playing around with my new Insta Go action camera. It's on my hat right now, but you can, there's all sorts of different accessories. I wanted to try it on my hat, but I gotta be honest with you, I find the heaviness bothering my neck a little bit. It's not even that big, it doesn't weigh that much, but just that little tiny bit of extra weight, I am noticing it. I would not want to wear this on a long run. I would prefer to carry it on a selfie stick, or I don't know, or just something else. But you get the idea of what it looks like, because I'm sharing that with you right now. And I wanted to know if any of you have one of these cameras. I can't wait to try it out with, it's magnetic, so you can put put it anywhere. You can put it on the bottom of your car, you can put it on your bike, and you know, there's so many creative ways you can use this little camera. It was very distracting while I was running because I kept wanting to stop and try it. You know, I wanted to like put it on the grass where all the geese were and, you know, see what happens. So yeah, I think there's a lot of creativity involved in this, and I'm excited to use it.